The Achimed by Medi. The Achimed is designed to alleviate discomfort and provide support for conditions that involve the Achilles tendon. What's unique about the Achimed is that it has a medical grade silicone buttress that encapsulates the Achilles tendon. Some of the features and benefits of the Achimed include the gradient knit that we have over the calcaneal or heel region to provide comfortable support, eliminate edema pooling, but not constrict too much across the instep. Also the gradient knit as we move further up the brace. We don't want to create a tourniquet effect on the lower limb, so the gradient knit as the brace terminates in the lower portion of the leg. Also you'll notice the terry-lined buttress that this is where the medical grade silicone is inserted. So it's moisture wicking, very comfortable. The weight bearing surface is very low profile so that you don't feel it in your shoe when you're running or walking. Turn it back over. Also, like all other Medi compression orthopedic supports, it's made out of a climate comfort fabric, which is a two-level shell. The shell that's closer to the tissue is a little bit more open. The shell that's on the outer portion of the shell is a little tighter weave, so it wicks away moisture. So in the summertime it's a little cooler, and in the wintertime it's a little warmer. The instep has an area we call the comfort zone, so that when you're standing or moving forward, it's very comfortable and does not bind. You'll notice the shape it's anatomically designed. There's a bit of an angle cut to the upper edge so that when you're standing it's very comfortable and non-constricting. The way the buttress works is as your foot moves to its natural range of motion, it creates a lever, and the buttress that encapsulates the Achilles tendon massages the Achilles tendon as you're going through your normal gait. So it's very comfortable, and it's padded in the center so that it lifts your Achilles tendon off of the heel of your shoe or the heel counter of your shoe, so it's not irritating an already aggravated condition. The Achimed also comes complete with two additional heel lifts. These are medical grade silicone heel lifts, and they provide just a bit of a lift so that your foot goes slightly into plantar flexion, and it reduces tension off the Achilles tendon. We provide two of them so that you don't end up with a leg length discrepancy and the resulting hip pain and like that can come from a leg length discrepancy. They don't need to be used, so if you're using the Achimed in a shoe that has a taller heel than average, you would not want to use these. But if you're in a dress shoe, a low profile running shoe, the heel cups can be a nice addition. So sizing the Achimed. Sizing the Achimed, like all other ankle products from Medi, you take an ankle circumference just above the malleoli, so the narrowest point of the ankle. You take a circumference measurement and size it up to one of 6 sizes. To apply the Achimed comes complete with a donning aid. The application aid is helpful if you're putting the Achimed on a damp limb, or maybe you have arthritic condition with your fingers and it's difficult for you to grasp the Achimed. So you simply slide your foot into the application aid, then you slide the Achimed over your foot. It's a very slippery, silky material. It helps you perfectly position the Achimed, and then you simply remove the application aid. You see a perfectly positioned Achimed. You now can see the buttresses the buttress that encapsulates the Achilles tendon.